You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move. There, guys, today we are with Bremo dann. Yes, first time reacting to this artist. Bremo dann with wisdom. Yes, Bremo dann with wisdom. So this is a young and upcoming artist. I'm gonna leave his link down in the description. Well, the first comment is gonna be pinned. Is gonna be his this song. So you can go over his channel and tell him say, JAMAICA'S game and say nobody. So please support the young artists support the young them, because those are the column of the music tomorrow. Alright? So more and big up on Zone Records and Bremo dann himself. So make a jump in on one here and see what the G have to say. No, man, let's go, no, man. Yeah, man, let's go, man. Alright, Bremo dann, wisdom, let's go.
My dad, you have to stay up on your guard. Only my life I lost, I can't share my dad. You have to know for what in your yard. People, wicked down, pitbull dog. Going like your father, my chat in your face, that's my land.
Hold on, play it back again. Bremo dann, let's go. My dad, you have to stay up on your guard. Only my life I lost, I can't share my dad. You have to know for what in your yard. People, wicked down, pitbull dog. Going like your father, my chat in your face, that's my landlord. Alright, so I was quiet just now because I spot some things I want to talk about at the end of this. So let me actually listen to the lyrics them now.
My dad, you have to stay up on your guard. Only my life I lost, I can't share my dad. You have to know for what in your yard.
So I'm tell you, basically, I'm a warning bridge and say, yo, all heap of things are going, bro. You have to stay up on your guard, you have to stay up on your P's and Q's. You have to stay up, my G, you have to stay up. You can't give in, you can't lapse.
Only my life I lost, I can't share my dad. You have to know for what in your yard. People, wicked down, pitbull dog. Going like your father, my chat in your face, that's my landlord.
We know that. People wickeder than pitbull dog. Yeah, man. Them a PUSS. Holy yeah. Let me smile in your face and chat behind your back. You see me, let me poison your drinks like what TJ said. For true.
Pitbull dog. Going like your father, my chat in your face, that's my landlord. I said, don't stay, yeah. Them a kill a violation. Are you alone have patience? Nobody named today. You got chicken ratio. Don't want a girl with cheat. I live up with up 1,000 feet. Nobody no bring me cheat. Can't keep it for one mentality.
Lord. Sometimes the good girl them have to suffer for the bad one them, you know, cause I know every girl out there I pre them thing. I know every girl I got cheat, but because the reputation of some of them gal, yeah, it rub off on the good one them. So it must say, yo, your gal where you have a yard basically we cheat. So don't put your all in, you see me? Yes, always dep on the lookout, always dep on your P's and Q's, always expect the unexpected. You see me?
Nobody no bring me G. Can't keep for one mentality. Keep on them, keep on them, keep on them, keep on stick to you. Big problems, big problems, big problems. Them try to pin for you. We can't be friends and we can't depend on you. Who ya try to fool? Man been true, no some wiser than a lot of things on my man. The pain I feel inside, it hurts deep, I can't cry, and I don't know why he has, but I was wrong. To hold on, yeah,
Message.
yeah. Government not help none of it. Still me not beg nobody. People with tools and him. The same company monger your barbie.
So government nah help none of it. Only thing government help of them pocket. Government only help them pocket. But guess what? Even though government nah help him, still not beg nobody. Him still not put himself out there for nobody shame him or have nothing over him. So guess what? Him a wall out. Him a wall it.
Beg nobody. People with tools and him. The same company monger your barbie. Duty have to lose it, can still come up there, yeah. Back if you go lubricated. If I want steal my chain, yet we still firm. Now move it route in the extra one, but the tile it breaks. Who say me not suck, you know me from birth. But me call mask, I me not really want her too. Can't waste my strength, yeah. Bad mind not make sense. Future bright like lens. So me now wait for them. I be thank my church room. Best not flow from birth root. Protect me when me learn out. Give me health to my work. Them use some curse, now the socks gone shot. And them by the match. Me soon like capital. Protect me when me learn out. Give me health to my work. Them use some curse, now the socks gone shot. And them by the match. Me soon like capital. Some of the south get my gun.
Yeah, man. So him know say yo in future bright out there now. So guess what? Him a go and wall out, like me say, him a put in the work. Him a wait him turn. Him not skip the line, him a wait him turn, dog. You see me, Bremo, big up yourself.
Well, if I things are going, I can't sleep, my dog. You have to stay up on your guard. Well, if I life a loss, I can't share my dog. You have to know for what in your yard. Yeah. People, wicked and people, dog. Do it live, your father, them a chatting in your face, then smile and laugh. I said I'm scared, yeah. Them a kill a failure. Are you alone have patience? Nobody need to do the for chicken ratio. You want a girl with cheat. I live up to the 1,000 feet. Nobody no bring me G. Can't keep it for one mentality.
All right, Bremo, dan big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Big up yourself, my G. Own zone, own zone, yeah, own zone, big up yourself, my G, big up yourself. All right, I can start off with the positive first. Potential there, very much, very much. It remind me of Ragging King when Ragging King just a followed out. Ragging King hungry, like you can hear the hunger in him voice, bro. Like you can hear it. You see me? So big up yourself, bro. Continue to do it, bro. You have the voice for it. You have it. You see me? So like me say, a link is gonna be left in the description where you guys can go over there, go tell him what you think about the song. All right? This is just my opinion. You see me? And my opinion is not gospel. You don't have to take my opinion for gospel. One thing, two things I want to talk about. I write them down a while ago. Two things I want to talk about. First of all, the mix. One zone. This is for you, bro. The mix could have been a lot more cleaner. The rhythm are overshadowing voice. Remember, say, me compare him to Ragging King, you know, and you know, say Ragging King don't have a big voice, but him have a voice where you can recognize that yo, a Ragging King that, you know. So Bremo are the same for me. You see me? So the voice was a bit too low for the rhythm, especially the piano, especially the intro. Listen to the intro.
Yeah.
again. Hear the part there? Listen, listen. Yeah, the rhythm are drawn out in voice, bro. Yes, me? Yeah, the rhythm are drawn out in voice for me. Next thing one more want to no, yeah, so the mix could have been a lot better. You see me? The rhythm, nice, but it just needs to be lower. You see me? Clarity, if the rhythm was lower, we could have hear more of what I say. If you notice, when I tell me I have to hold my hand like this, if you listen to everything what I say, because me I feel what I say, because I can relate to what I say. All right. Next thing is, where's my next, is it this one? Yeah, this. One zone and Bremo dann. There's a phone down. If you now scroll up on YouTube and see a thumbnail like this, would you click on it? I wouldn't. I wouldn't click on this. This is just a wall, a black wall with wisdom written on it. You can't make out where they are exactly. We can be able to make out on zone down so. And the world map here, PNG world map something here, this forward from Google or something to get this from. The thumbnail can be a lot better. We don't know Bremo dann. We don't know who Bremo dann is. See me? We don't know who Bremo dann is. It would be nice to see the face of the voice we are seeing, at least. You see me? So make the thumbnail them a bit more catchy, a bit more easy on the eye. This is just a all rusty wall where have wisdom written on it in a yellow and gray. You see me? So it's very dull. It's very dull. So that is my two critiques. So the clarity and the thumbnail need to work on. You see me? So producer, do your work and well, the engineer, do your work and make sure say it mixed down properly. Also, the graphic designer only need to do better or only need to get changed and get some proper thumbnail. You see me? But yeah, apart from that, Bremo dann, big up say, bro, go and do it, fam. Go and do it. Obviously, yeah, young artist, so me nah go really to go hard and say one bag of thing, which there is not a bag of thing to say apart from the thumbnail them. You see me? Just look on other artists' thumbnail were established already. Look how them put for them thumbnail together, and you see me? Yeah. But yeah, sometimes you have to spend the money to get the right result. You see me? Alright? So big up yourself, my G. One, big up yourself again, my G. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like I said, link is in the comment section pinned below. Alright? Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying, span them and do what? Def them.